Hi guys, I'm Sumbul and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about these very fun looking masks. I got them from Selfridges in London, and yes, I know I've been saying that quite a lot in my recent videos because that's the truth. I went to London, I did a lot of makeup shopping. I couldn't control, especially when I saw these very fun looking Korean masks. I have been meaning to try Korean products because I've read many reviews and seen many videos raving about Korean beauty products, so I also wanted to test them out myself. By the way, do follow me on Instagram because I post quite a lot about my latest makeup videos, makeup looks, and also quite a lot of travel pics because I'm an avid traveler. I love to travel, I love nature, I love scenic places, so I post quite a lot of pictures. Recently I went to Switzerland and Italy, so I was posting quite a lot of pictures from there. So if you're also interested in travel and beauty, be sure to follow me on Instagram. So anyway, that was just a little detour from this video. So back to the video. These three are 5 pounds and this one is 6 pounds. I don't know what's more special about this, but it's called a rice bubble cleansing mask. So maybe it will bubble on the skin. So 1 pound extra is for the bubbling effect probably. Anyway, so I bought all of these and then 2 rubber masks like this. So this one is the rubber mask firm lover and the other one I got was the brightening lover, which I will be showing you in this video with me trying it on in front of you guys. So that's why it's gone now. I've thrown away the packaging. That's why you can't see it over here, and I'm afraid I won't be able to do a close-up also because I've already thrown it away. But it looked just like this, except from the pink color it had the yellow color, and instead of the firm lover it was a brightening mask. So that was the only difference. The brand was exactly the same and the packaging was also exactly the same. So this was the rubber mask. Now I'm going to name all of these masks if I can understand the writing. Most of it is in English, so I'll be able to tell you. So this is called an animal mask, calming and soothing care for angry cat. So it contains aloe and tea tree ingredient which soothes and moisturizes your skin. Then this very fun one is the rice bubble cleansing mask, and it says it's a brightening mask. It cleanses pores and it smooths skin. And then we have this fruit mask, pomegranate girl, and it says it's moisturizing and elastic and it improves wrinkles. So I don't really buy the wrinkle improvement aspect of skincare, as I've mentioned time and again on my channel. So maybe it's good for moisturizing and elasticity. We'll see when we try it out. And the last one is this animal mask, whitening care for dark panda. So I'm guessing it's for reducing pigmentation. Yep. It makes your skin bright and transparent. So out of all these masks, I'm really curious about the rubber masks and the rice bubble mask. So for today's video, I'll be trying out the rubber mask, and if you guys are interested, because I'm a little bit confused on what I should do about the other mask. If you guys want, I can make videos about the application of each in front of you guys on my YouTube channel, or I can do it on Instagram. So whichever social platform you guys prefer, just comment below and I'll do just exactly that. So now let's try out the rubber brightening mask. So as you can see, I have no makeup on right now except the lipstick, and I have washed my face, but still I'll do a double cleanse with this simple micellar water, and I'm taking just the normal Tesco wipes. So normally I take 2 wipes and then soak them together with the micellar water. So I really put a lot of the water, and then what I do is I just turn them and make sure both sides are wet, and then I start with the cleansing. Oh, it's cold. Now let's go for the lipstick. And then just going on once more, just making sure it is absolutely clean. So now I'm sure that my face is super clean. I'm going to select one of the masks and I'm leaning towards these two. So I'm trying to decide between the firm lover and the bright lover. I think I'm going to go for the bright lover today. So now let's open it. I'm just going to tear it. So this is the step 1 ampule, which contains the hydrating cream, I'm guessing. And then This is the rubber mask. So let's check the directions. So step 1 is the intensive brightening ampule pack. This one. And it says brightening ingredients are gently absorbed into skin. And what you have to do is, after cleansing, take a sufficient amount of step 1 ampule pack to nourish your skin. So I'm going to apply it all over my skin first. So let's do that. So this ampule contains just a little amount of the cream. In fact, I think it's barely half. And now let's apply it. So it's not a very runny moisturizer. In fact, it's quite on the solid side and it has some grain to it. So let's just apply it all over. By looking at the size of the ampule, I was thinking I might have some left over, but now seeing that it's not even filled halfway, I'm pretty sure that I barely cover all of my face. Okay, so I was wrong. It's not too bad. At least I am managing to cover my whole face in a semi-thick layer. I don't know if I should put it on my eyes or not. Let's just try. After all, it's just a moisturizer, right? So I can't put it on my eyes. It's nicely absorbing into my skin. Okay, so as you can see, I have not really rubbed all of the cream in because I read step 2 and it says that the rubber mask helps seal the moisture in and it really lets it sink in. So I'm just leaving some like this so that when I apply the mask, it will help to absorb all of it. So now let's try that. My hands are really sticky now due to that cream. Step 2 is open this pouch and then remove the film, place the mask on your face and evenly press to attach it completely. And then you have to wait for 30 to 40 minutes. Let's do that. So this is the film I'm supposed to remove. It's very slippery. It's very hard to do it in front of a camera. So which side is the right side? I'm guessing this. Okay, I'm looking like a ninja now. Oh, it's cold. I should have used a hair clip. Okay, now it's turned into a horror movie. What's this flap now? What am I supposed to do with this flap? I'm not really sure. So let's just now press everything in as it says so that the mask sticks to my face completely. So this is the final look. I'm looking so pretty. It's getting tighter. So see you after 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been I feel so funny talking like this. Anyway, because it's very tight, so I'm talking by barely moving my lips. Okay, so it's been more than 40 minutes now. I think it's almost near to 50 minutes. So now I'm going to remove the mask. Finally, freedom. Freedom. My face is so stiff. So they have said that absorb the remaining liquid by rubbing in your face. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now the verdict. My face is definitely feeling very richly hydrated. It's super soft and it's feeling a little firmer also. Although I know this was a brightening mask, not the firming one, but my face is feeling a little bit tight. I think it was because I had kept the rubber mask on for so long. So it's feeling tight in a good way. And it's definitely hydrated. I just love the feel of my skin right now. About the brightness aspect, I'm not sure because I wasn't even hoping for too much of a brightening effect because it's not a chemical peel or it's not an exfoliant, so I didn't really quite buy that aspect of this mask. I just wanted a very good hydration, just like it has provided me. And as for brightness, I let you guys be the judge. I don't notice a huge difference in brightness or even reducing my pigmentation. So for brightness, I'm not sold, but for hydration and a little bit firmness, it's really good. My skin is feeling richly hydrated and I like that about it. And because it's nighttime and I'm going to sleep like that, so in the morning I'm hoping it will be even more beautifully hydrated and ready for the day. So for final thoughts, it's a good mask. Even now I am having some difficulty smiling very freely because my skin is feeling quite firm. So anyway, it's a good mask as far as the hydration and firmness aspect go, but as far as the brightness, I'm not sure. As I said, I let you guys be the judge. And will I buy this mask again? Yes, I think so, because the hydration, I'm liking it very much. It's like the cream has really sunk into my skin, drenched it in, and I'm really loving the feel of it. I'm just hoping this effect will last at least one day, so it won't just vanish after I wash my face in the morning. I'm hoping my skin will remain quite supple and hydrated throughout the day. That's what my expectations are. So to be exactly 100% sure if I will buy the mask again, I will see it throughout the day. If it lasts throughout the day, then I will definitely 100% buy it again. Otherwise, I'm not so sure if the effect is just very temporary, like a few hours. Because it's not a very cheap mask. It costs £10 for just one mask. So my decision on buying it again will depend on how it does throughout the day. So guys, because I filmed this application of the mask 2 days ago, so now I can comment and tell you how long the hydration lasted. So it did last almost a whole day, close to around 18 hours. So in my opinion, I think that's not too bad. So I'm happy to repurchase this mask, but I'll reserve it for special occasions because it's not the cheapest face mask. So I'm not going to make it a habit and use it weekly. I'll just reserve it when my skin needs something extra, moisturization, hydration, and stuff like that. So that is my verdict for this mask. I'm happy with its effect and I'll gladly repurchase it. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do comment and let me know what you think about these style of videos. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every Wednesday. Until next time, stay beautiful.